Welcome back. Whether you're cleaning up a quick selfie or crafting a more detailed creative edit, Pixlr makes it simple with powerful tools available in both Pixlr Express and Pixlr Editor. In Pixlr Express, these tools are found under the Adjust tab. At the top, you'll see 3 auto adjustment options for quick fixes. Below that, adjustments are organized by categories like color, light, details, and more. Using these tools is simple. Either drag the sliders or enter a value and see the changes instantly, ideal for quick touch-ups and fast edits. Here you'll find sliders for brightness, contrast, exposure, color balance, as well as sharpening tools like clarity and sharpen. You can also add stylized effects like vignette or glamour. In Pixlr Editor, you'll find similar tools under the Adjustment and Filter tabs, with more flexibility and precision. Here you'll also find effects like posterize and halftone for more graphic style edits. Pixlr's retouch tools are designed to clean up and enhance your images, perfect for removing blemishes, cloning textures, and refining small details. Under the Retouch tab in Pixlr Express, you'll find 4 main tools: Heal Repair, Clone Stamp, Sharpen Blur, and Dodge Burn. Healer Repair removes imperfections by blending nearby textures. Use Spot for small blemishes, and Object for larger distractions. Clone Stamp copies a selected area and paints it onto another, great for covering unwanted elements or filling gaps. Simply define a source point, then brush over the area you want to fix. Sharpen or Blur adjusts edge contrast to enhance or soften details. Dodge or Burn brightens or darkens areas to add depth, enhance highlights, or define shadows. Together, they help you transform an average photo into a clean, polished, and professional-looking image. In Pixlr Editor, you'll find these tools organized in their respective tabs, offering even more control and precision for detailed editing. Next, let's explore filters and effects. In Pixlr Express, the Effects tool gives you a wide selection of presets, ranging from vintage film looks to modern cinematic tones. These are one-click edits, perfect for social media posts or setting a creative mood quickly. Under the Filters tab, you'll find even more powerful tools that simulate dramatic visual effects. Each filter comes with customizable sliders, so you can fine-tune the look to your liking while seeing real-time results. HDR mimics high dynamic range to make your photo pop with vibrant detail. Focus Bokeh adds depth by blurring backgrounds and introducing beautiful bokeh lights. Reflect creates mirrored effects for a stylized look. Dispersion breaks apart elements in your photo for a cool motion effect. Glitch adds artistic distortion with customizable glitch styles. Colorize lets you create bold mono, duo, or tritone color overlays for a stylized vibe. If you're layering images, adding textures, or designing graphics, blending modes are your go-to tool. In both Pixlr Express and Pixlr Editor, blending modes are accessible from the Layers panel. They let you control how one layer interacts with the one beneath it, opening up endless creative possibilities. Try using Multiply or Screen to instantly change how your top layer blends into the base. Use blending modes creatively to build double exposures, apply light leaks, or add subtle texture overlays. Whether you're making simple adjustments, applying filters, or layering creative effects, Pixlr gives you the tools to enhance your photos with ease. See you in the next tutorial, and don't forget to try these edits out for yourself.